The next thing you can use is Facebook groups. What are Facebook groups, and why do many businesses consider Facebook groups important? Let's make it clear once again that there are three types of pages: personal, business, and group. Sometimes groups are called communities. Just remember that they are the same thing. So we understand that a community is an association of people that share a common interest. This could be a group of fishing enthusiasts, gamers, you name it. If we're talking about me, for example, and the groups I am a member of the Volkswagen Golf and Volkswagen GTI groups. From my groups, you can tell that I'm interested in cars and I communicate with people like me, who are scattered throughout the world. How do big brands and big companies use groups to sell products? I will give you an example. Subaru Ukraine has a community, and there is a Subaru Kiev community. These groups have people who own new Subarus and old Subarus. They discuss where and who fixes their car and new changes going on within Subaru. Subaru acts as the group moderator. So people use this as a forum to communicate with each other. The group can be private or completely open to anyone. There are more than just car groups on Facebook. You can basically find a group about any topic. One of my agency's clients is a book company. They are a publisher, but they do not just make books. They make books for dentists. And on Facebook, evidence has shown that there is a huge number of dentist groups. There are dentists in New York, dentists in Paris, dentists in Delhi, Tokyo, etc. And of course, these groups have a target audience. What are the options? What immediately comes to mind? Of course, you can go in and, for example, if you're dealing with goods for dentists, write a message to all of them. But of course, that would be spam. How is spam different from a content seeding? What is content seeding? Seeding is an opportunity to convey information to this target audience and to say that we have a book or we have a certain product. All this is done in cooperation with the administrator of the group. You simply ask the administrator of the group to advertise something for you. The administrator will then ask for money or post it for free. It's usually not expensive to post on communities, and since the topic will be directly related to your business, it's worth the investment. I suggest that you either enter groups related to your niche and start negotiating with the administrator, or start your own page. Since you're bound to find like-minded people in these groups, it serves as an excellent opportunity to meet new people and learn new things about your niche. Groups. Globally speaking, groups do very well in Israel. In Israel, there are a lot of different restaurants and establishments that are recommended within the types of groups we just talked about. Unfortunately, unlike business pages, groups cannot be promoted through advertising, meaning you cannot run ads that will attract people to your group page. So now you might be asking, well, Vlad, how do I get them to my group page then? Don't forget that you have a business page that you can use to tell people that you have a private group that you can join and communicate with them. Entice people to join by stating that you have useful information and secret videos that can only be seen if you join the group. Okay, so I've told you how to get the audience to the group page, but how do you go about entertaining them enough to keep them there? I repeat once again, you can use groups in conjunction with a business page or as a separate one. People generally feel very comfortable in groups. Groups can be very interesting and help gather people in one place.